Well, some experiments don't go as planned. We may have higher expectations on it, but some experiments end up with disappointing results. This experiment is one of it. We have performed some cool experiments with sodium metal and we will continue to do experiments in this series. Let's get started.
Hey, what's up guys, how are you all? This is Ram and you're watching Infinity Explorer. Welcome to Sodium Experiment series. Well, this is very dangerous and a lot of fun too. So do not try this at home, enjoy the video, like it and share it with your friends and keep exploring infinity.
In this video we are going to test sodium in Dettol. Sodium versus Dettol. Sounds great, right? As we know, Dettol is an antiseptic liquid and it mostly contains water, which reacts with sodium metal pretty well, so expecting a good result, a decent blast. Let's check it out in a small scale first. Small piece in a Dettol bath. Well, it's reacting. Let's go big scale now. As we did some jugaad in the earlier video, that is sodium versus coke can video, we are going to do the same here, taking a piece of sodium and tying it to a thread and leaving it to the bottle. It looks a bit like fishing, but we have to run away to save ourselves.
Run.
Many trials and finally I was able to drop it into the bottle, but due to stick, the bottle fell over and most of the liquid flown out. Due to that, it resulted in a flames and not a big blast. I expected the bottle to blast and tamper the bottle. Sodium reacted and the heat caused the plastic bottle to melt. Just for safety. Watch my other videos related to sodium metal experiments. Click on the left to watch sodium versus pond and click on the right to watch all the videos related to the sodium. This is Ram signing off. Meet you on the next one. Until then, keep exploring infinity.